No more gambling, just systematic upgrading. Find the purple line support, that's a discount, kid. Paying all your monthly bills, that's the knowledge I give.
Cybl stock, there's nothing wrong with this company. Nothing wrong with this thing. We're going to need drones and lots of them. Apparently Russia has like over 500,000 drones, and they're making 100,000 drones every month, I believe. So like we are way behind. America is behind on the drone side of things. So I think Cybl, once we get rate cuts, combine that with the fact that we will need production of a lot of drones. Like, we're gonna need a ton of them. It's drone warfare city out there in the Ukraine. So, and even what's happening over there with Iran. So it's all about the drones, guys. It's all about the drones. Cheap, effective, can kill plenty, right? So Cybl, it's all about the drones. I think this is a buy and accumulate at 0011. Or you can start accumulating now if you want. It's up to you, but I'm waiting for 0011. I still have my position at 005 average, but yeah, I'm not concerned one bit. This move here, there was no catalyst or news behind it, and even then it just moved from 0009 to 0036. So I believe with news, with catalyst, we will eventually get a big move to the upside. We always have these. It can take a year, it can take time, and that's okay. If you are patient, this is nothing to you. I was having a conversation the other day. Let me see if I can pull this bad boy up. Shout out to Shades, the man, the myth, the legend, Troy Rosa. I don't think I've seen you in the chat in a long time. But yeah, here's what I wanted to show you. I was talking to Trucker Jeff, and he was telling me, man, the market is actually really easy. It's really, let me see if I can find it. Yeah, it is easy if they're good companies. If you're buying good companies, it's easy, but it does take patience. It's very frustrating sometimes. I think most get frustrated and sell at a loss and try another stock, then they blow up on the whole thing. So, and that's the thing, you need patience. That's all you need. If you're buying good companies at cheap prices, then at that point it's all about sitting back and waiting for the price to go up. It's all about the patience. And Trucker Jeff he has learned like, hey, this is actually very easy. It's a very easy game to play. No need to overthink it. Stick it to the man. Buy good companies. Let it go up. You'll make your money. It can take time though. Like, guys, these huge pumps here to 1 penny and beyond, it's not like they happen right away. This huge pump happened in started in October 7, 2024, and this one started in April 2025. I mean, it can take a long time, guys. And keep in mind, even here in 2023, there was not some huge pump. So it can take years to get that big move to a penny and beyond. But what we do know is we do get these little pumps. We do get these little pumps from time to time where it moves from 0009, 0011 to 000 or 006, 005, 009. So these little pumps, they do happen from time to time, and there is money to be made there on those little moves. Believe it or not, Cybl moving 300%, 400% is considered a little move, right? Because it didn't move to a penny. When this thing goes to a penny, you're going to be like, damn, 500% if I had just bought down here at 0019. So that's why I'm saying just accumulate it. Don't think about it. Don't overthink it. It's literally a patience game. That's what it's always been. And let it come down. It'll be easy money, in my opinion. It has been easy money. Don't overthink it. That's it for Cybl stock.